Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what is contact sync in BeReal app. So let's get started. So let's open the BeReal app. So as you can see here, BeReal, if you click on the top left section as your friends, so if you click on here, then you can, if you see here like sync contact, when you will just click on here, it will ask you for the allowance of your contact. When you will just click on there, it will show your friends which are available on your BeReal app, and you can add them and they can also add you by this contact. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too, and you can use to know whichever friend your uses your BeReal. Okay, and if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.